In this video, let's take a look at Revit tools every beginner should know. When you start as a beginner, there are very few basic tools you are familiar with. Hence, it is very important for everyone to know all the tools in Revit and its function. It saves you a lot of time and makes the modeling process much easier. So first, let's start with the Modify panel. You can access these tools under Modify tab, Align. Align tool is used to align one or more elements with a selected element. This tool is generally used to align walls, lines, and other types of elements as well. In order to use this tool, go to Modify and select the Align tool, or you can type AL. Let's take a look at some examples. Align wall to grid. Align lines. Align lines to wall. Align components. Align in 3D view. Offset. Offset tool is used to move or copy a selected element at a specified distance parallel to the selected element. This tool can be used for walls, detail lines, components, beams, etc. To access this tool, go to Modify and select Offset, or you can type OF. Here are some examples. If you don't want to copy the previously selected element, just uncheck the copy button. If the elements are connected together in a continuous loop, you can just select one element and hit the tab button. This enables the selection of all the elements. Mirror. Mirror tool is used to reverse the position of a selected element using a line as the mirror axis. Now, there are two ways to mirror an element. First one is pick axis and other one is draw axis. The element could be a door, window or any other component. To mirror any element, go to modify and select the mirror tool. Then go and select the element you want to mirror. Press space and pick the axis. Let's look at some more examples. Here are some basic tools such as move, copy and rotate. Move. Go to modify and select the move tool or just type MV. Copy. Go to modify and select copy or type CO. Rotate. Go to modify and select rotate or type RO. Trim extend. This tool is used to trim or extend one or more elements to a boundary. Go to Modify and select the Trim Extend tool or just type TR. This can be done in 3 different ways. Trim Extend to corner. Trim Extend single element. Trim Extend multiple element. Split. This tool is used to divide elements into 2 separate parts or create a segment between 2 points. Go to Modify and select the Split option or use the shortcut for Split, which is SL. Select the wall or line you want to separate and click on the Split tool. Now select whichever point you want the split line to be at. You can also do this by creating a gap at split joint. All you have to do is go to Modify and click on Split with Gap option and type in the gap value. Array. This tool basically helps in creating an array of linear or radial elements. You can create several instances of one or more element. Go to Modify and select the Array tool. First select the element you want to create an array for. Then specify the dimension and number of arrays. Scale. This tool is used to resize or scale the selected element. You can use this tool to scale your CAD drawings or text. Go to Modify and select the Scale tool. You can either scale the elements graphically or you can type in the dimension. Unpin. Unpin. This tool helps to unpin an element so we can move it around. Every time you import a CAD file, it is always pinned in one position. Hence, you have to first unpin it and then place it in its position. If you want to lock an element in its place, select the pin tool under Modify and pin it in its place. Delete. This tool is used to remove any element from the model, be it walls, doors, windows or any other components. Thank you for watching this video. You will be learning about some more tools in the next video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.